All set now, ready to race, penultimate race. Take of time, early lead goes to Awesome Ashley Scarab, Golden Race Danori inside, Sharp Cookie is racing on the outside, Magic Fantasy. Entering the far turn, Golden Rage followed by Awesome Ashley, Sharp Cookie is racing on the outside, taking the second spot and still moving up as they race the last 500. Golden Rage, Sharp Cookie and Awesome Ashley, Magic Fantasy Scarab as they race the final corner. Golden Rage, Sharp Cookie is moving up on the outside to grab the lead. It's now Sharp Cookie and Golden Rage, Awesome Ashley entering the finish line. The outstanding favorite, number 6, Sharp Cookie. Golden Rage, Awesome Ashley, Scarab, and I think Magic Fantasy for your Fentafecta.
6-2-4-5 ang malinaw sa